So I'm here in the attic and working on the furnace. What happened is um, we turn it on and it just makes this sound like something is turning, like zzz, which is usually this fan. Um, I guess it's called the inductor motor. It's turning, but it doesn't give off heat and it doesn't turn on the blower. So what could be wrong? And it flashes 3 times on this LED indicator. It flashes 3 times. So when the cover is on, when this cover is on, actually, we could see the flash through the little window here. It flashes 3 times. And according to the troubleshooting chart that I have for my model, it says that if the LED flashes 3 times, that means it could be the inducer draft blower runs continuously, or integrated control module diagnostic LED flashes if LED flashes 3 times, it could be the pressure switch circuit not closed, or inducer draft blower is and that's the symptoms. Basically, the pressure switch is not closed and inducer draft blower is operating, which is true. The inducer draft blower is operating, and it could be that the pressure switch circuit not closed. So that could be a pinched hose, which is any one of these pinched hoses that goes from the inducer blower all the way to the pressure switch. It could be a pinched hose. It could be, see, there's another pressure switch. So these rubber hoses go there. Or it could be, it says here, inspect the hoses, inspect the flue inlet piping for blockage. Excuse me. It says correct pressure switch set point or contact motion, tighten or correct wiring connection. So there's a number of things, but in my situation, see, the inducer motor actually drains the condensation from inducer motor drains into this little spigot thingy, and this little thing, and then the pipe, PVC pipe, takes that condensation water that collects and drains it outside. So that PVC pipe could be blocked, or as you can see, behind the furnace is this PVC pipe. What could happen is this PVC pipe needs to be tilted a certain way, just so the water goes down. In my case, what happened is the PVC pipe was sagging and the water was collecting somewhere right there, and it was just it looks like by the time it gets to the edge of the house over there, it's a high point. So basically the water was collecting somewhere over there and it wasn't draining completely. So what I did, because over time PVC pipes could sag, so what I did is I put a little bit of 2x4 right there, and made sure that it's still slanted so that the water could still drain, but that this point is higher than the point over there where it actually runs down to the side of the house. So it's really important that no water is standing water in the pipes over there, that everything runs down to the valley. And so in my case, that was the issue, because now that I've done that, I'm going to check, see if that fixed the problem. As you can see, a steady LED light means it's a good thing. So we got that steady LED light on, and the inducer motor kicks in. The inducer motor kicks in. And notice the LED light. Well, you may not see this, but the LED light is on. Steady, not it's not flashing, it's steady. And it kicked off the furnace with no problem. So it's fixed. The problem is fixed. Yay! So the problem is fixed. Now I could just cover, and I'm glad that it fixed the problem. So be careful when you work on these. There's a lot of electrical. There's flames also. There's a switch here. The switch will turn the furnace on or off, depending on what the thermostat is set on. So I just unplugged it right here, and I'm gonna put these covers back on, and I'm glad the trick worked. Actually, when I raised the pipe back there, when I raised the pipe, when I raised that PVC pipe over on the other side of the furnace, I heard a gurgling sound, a water gurgling. That's a good thing. That means the water that collected over here and possibly over here was actually able to pass through and drain. So that's a good thing. So yeah, if you guys have any problems with you know, the furnace not turning on, not giving any heat, but you just hear this sound like a fan is blowing, this inducer fan, inducer blower, then you know that might be one of the problems. Either the the water might be gurgling here, or over the years the PVC pipe might sag, or if somebody worked on the house and put some insulation or other things and touched the PVC pipe, then maybe the angle, it's not slanted enough to drain the water. So make sure you accommodate that with maybe a 2x4 or something that could allow the water to drain. Yep.